Well, today I'm checking out three different mounting accessories from a company called HSU. And these are, again, useful for GoPros and other action cameras. And normally, I'd probably throw these on my motorcycle and actually go out for a ride with them. But currently, it's winter here in Canada, and the weather is absolutely not coordinating. So, this is going to be a first look and initial thoughts based on build quality and design of the HSU. Happy Share Up. So, here's what we're looking at. First, this is the HU aluminum handlebar mount. We just cracked this open. We have this here. We'll just kind of move this over. So right away, you can tell this is 100% all metal. So there's no plastic, no flex, nothing like that in here. And you can actually see like this is strong, right? This is meant for bikes, motorcycles, e-bikes, pretty much anything with handlebars. Even the knobs are metal. Next up is the 7-piece aluminum extension arm, which is this funky piece right here. So we'll just kind of take it out of this here bag real fast. And again, 100% metal. But it's not like, I don't want to say it's not like big heavy metal, because it is. It's got definitely some weight versus plastic. But it's not going to be so heavy that, of course, you're going to put this on your helmet and be like, oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Anyways, this is basically your angle and positioning solution. So with these pieces, of course, you have the ability to mount a whole bunch differently. You can change out different perspectives. You can stack these different pieces to build custom setups. You got all kinds free here. Plus, I like the fact that they actually give you this piece, which is metal. Yep, for tightening, right? Because with metal, we should be able to just crank these in without having these bust. Yes, plastic. Is that plastic? No, yeah, I'm guessing. Yeah, I think everything's metal. Everything's metal, which is super cool. And then the very last thing, and this may be, well, I say it's my favorite, but it's one of those things that other companies have made for their cameras. GoPro, not as much. It's a magnetic latch mount for the GoPro Hero 13. So it's a quick release design, so you can pop the camera on and off without any tools. And I don't have my GoPro here, but if you've seen any action cams nowadays, that's exactly what it is. This will mount onto the bottom, click. This comes in here. It's all magnetic. It's going to latch in, lock on. You have little release pins to take it off. Gives you your standard GoPro mounts plus your quarter 20 in the bottom. You're good to go, right? That's kind of nice. And what's really cool about this, I don't think any of these pieces by themselves are more than like 17, 18 bucks. So being that they're all metal, that's awesome. So kind of following up with that, the first thing that, really stands out, I think, with all these components is really how solid everything feels. If you look at the handlebar mount, um, it clamps down tight and doesn't feel, look how small that can get. Doesn't feel like it should have the ability to go anywhere, right? Plus, this even has a 360, so you can loosen this piece up, right? I loosen this up. This can spin around, so you got that perfect angle that you want, right there, and then just snug it back down again. And that's not going anywhere. Yeehaw, yeehaw. Same thing, in regards to these extension arms. So you got the three different extension arm sizes right here. Once again, because it's metal, you can crank them down, right? One of the things I find with a lot of, I want to say, extension arms or GoPro mounts or whatever you want to call them that you buy, especially like on Amazon or something like that. Yeah, I always feel that if I crank them just once, and I want to go one tighter, right? I go one more, then it breaks. Metal shouldn't have that issue, not by any means. And then kind of lastly on here, again, is same thing as the magnetic latch here. Not that I have my GoPro here, but again, it feels very solid. So I would think based on the quality of the other pieces, then I would say that this should do just as well, right? I don't feel like that will have any kind of issue in regards to breakage. I think that's going to mount in there and be very, very nice. I kind of wish that they would make some stuff for Insta360 because that's primarily the cameras I use, right? So come on, guys, HSU, make some Insta360 stuff because then, especially these, that's good quality. You guys should make some of these for those cameras. Overall, they don't feel like cheap accessories. They feel like mounts that I think for myself, I would actually trust with a camera that definitely, costs a few $100. So Insta360 cameras is primarily what I run, and they can range Canadian wise anywhere from, 500 up to $800-900. So once riding season is back, which it feels like it's going to be forever, here's how I'd personally use this setup. I'd run the handlebar mount, of course, as my main forward-facing camera. The extension arms, I think, would let me fine-tune the angle or push the camera out a bit further for a little bit of a wider shot. Because if you're like here and maybe you have a shot coming this way, being able to get it out further gives you a wider shot, which is great. And of course, the magnetic latch mount would be perfect for quickly being able to grab your camera off, let's say, your helmet, to be able to go take some camera shots, some B-roll, whatever it is. That quick release alone, I think, would save a ton of time, especially if you're constantly moving your camera around, which of course is definitely something that I do. Again, I travel on my motorcycle primarily with action cams. So being able to just take them off, shoot, pop them back on and go. Insta360, guys, make some Insta360 stuff, please. That's all I'm asking. Anyways, I really wish I could show these on the road right now. But if you were to look outside, between the snow, ice, and the fact that it's actually minus 30 something degrees Celsius outside, the bike is pretty much staying exactly where it is and probably will be there for some time. But as soon as the weather improves, I'd love to take these out and see how they handle, I guess, like things like vibration and real riding conditions. Because things like vibration, especially, I don't know how forgiving metal is in regards to plastic or some kind of mount that has a vibration dampener. I don't know if you can get one. That may be something that you want to look at. Anyways, first impressions of the HSU gear, very positive. Everything feels well built, solid, and definitely designed for outdoor use. And if you're like me and you're tired of plastic mounts that, you fear could break or could possibly vibrate your footage, these may definitely be worth a look. Anyways, I'll leave links in the description down below for all the products, if you guys are interested at all. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I will see you guys next video. See, you could take this. You could take this. You got enough little clamps here, right? Take this. Take this. Not that one. This one. Get it on there, right? Put that on there. These just mounts in here sweetly. That by itself, right? That by itself, because you snug that down, especially if you use this thing right here, right? You just put that on there and you give it a crank. Like, that's not moving. Like, that's not moving at all. Like, at all. Then you got other ones. So if you're like, you got this on your handlebar and you got this wherever, you're like, nope, I need this one, but I need it down, facing more over there. So you crank that on there. Yes, right. Same idea. Get that in your position. Nice. Give that a little snug. I do like this little snuggy thing. That's excellent. And then you're like, well, it's almost there. It's almost there. I just got to get it. I got to get it back a little further. So whatever you're doing, just whatever. Yeah, this is what's happening. Snug. And then last but not least, you got your GoPro, right? Insta360, guys, I'm telling you, it's all I want from you. Other than, because this is a cool setup. I would use this, but I need the magnetic mount. Not that I don't need it because Insta360 makes these, but if you guys make them, you make them for like $20 for GoPro. You make them $20 for Insta360. I'll buy yours. Yeah. Anyways, look at that. Right? You got that on your handlebar, right? That's like way out there. You can get that where you want. And what's cool, right? Just gotta make sure everything's locked into place. Ready? Yeah. See? There you go. So I can get it to bend like that. No, but that's, come on. Nobody's, right? That's going a little crazy. You know? Yeah, that's sweet. That's cool. I'm down. I'm down.